Hey everybody, welcome to episode 21 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect, ambition, tenacity, trustworthiness, loyalty, and empathy. I'm Miss Burns, and today I am filming from my home because the internet and the phones weren't working at the school, so I'm home. Alright, so let's get started with our craft episode of the day. Today we are going to make pulled string paintings. So this is going to be a lot of fun, guys. And what you're going to need is some paint. You can use any kind of paint, watercolors, acrylics, or you can make some paints like I'm going to do. I have just 4 little cups of water and some food coloring. We'll see how that goes. You'll need a pair of scissors, some string or yarn. This is a lot. You don't need that much. You need about, can you see that string even? I'm just gonna snip it. No, not, yep. Not that much string, not a lot. I'm using the back of a piece of a stovetop stuffing box, so any piece of cardboard and a piece of paper. Okay, that's all you will need today. So if you want to grab those things and pause the video, grab those things, come back. We'll see you in a couple of minutes. All right, here's how it's gonna go. So I'm testing something out. We'll see what happens. I'm going to move the camera down, and then I'm going to move myself down, kind of like usual, except a little bit less smooth. And hopefully you can see everything I'm doing, and then we'll go through it step by step. So let's see. Camera. Oop, that's probably good. And then me. Oop. Okay, you can still see me. All right, this is good. If I scooch back, you can see me even better. So I'm gonna take my piece of cardboard, and I'm gonna fold it in half. And what I'm doing with this is I'm making a frame to hold over my string, so that it kind of has a little bit of resistance. So I'm just gonna come in. You might want to have a grown-up do this. This scissor isn't really great for this, but I'm coming in about, I don't know, an inch from the side. You don't have to. It's like there is no requirement for this. And then I'm going to turn. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to go up this side. Doesn't have to be perfect at all, as you can tell. It is not perfect, but if I pull that out, now I have a sort of frame. Hi guys! And I'm going to take that frame and put it on my paper. I'm going to use this frame while I'm painting to kind of hold my string down and pull it out. Oh, I forgot. I also have a towel with me. Use a paper towel or a napkin or whatever. It's just to kind of blot my string on to make sure it's not super, super wet. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside. I'm gonna take my food coloring, which I bought new because we've used quite a bit of food coloring lately. Plus Jane kind of dumped it into a project that she did, and I don't have enough left. All right, so I'm gonna use all the colors because I have 4 little things of water. You can use whatever. I mean, if you aren't using food coloring, it will wash out, so it's not like you have to use anything specific. Just putting a few drops of red in. And a few drops of yellow in. More like a squirt and a squirt. And a squirt of green. And a squirt of blue. And you know what? You could use a spoon. You should use a spoon or popsicle stick or something to stir. Guess what? You guys know me so well. I'm going to use my scissors because I don't have a spoon on me. So I mixed up the red. I'm going to wipe it off. I'm going to mix up the yellow. I'm going to wipe it off. Mix up the green. Oh, the green is not mixing in very well. This is interesting. Yellow and red, no problem. Mixed it up. The green is sticking to the bottom. So I'm just going to keep going until it's dissolved in there. There we go. Now the cool thing about making your own using the watercolor or the food coloring is that I can add more to make it darker. I can combine colors to make new colors, all that stuff, which you can also do with regular paints, but I'm just saying. All right, so you're gonna take your string. We're gonna go, I'm gonna start with red. I'm gonna dip my string in the red. Dipping it in. Let it get wet in there. Get some quote unquote paint on it. I'm using my scissor because it's kind of floating on top. I'm pushing it under. So I got it kind of wet with my paint. I'm going to move it right over onto my towel. Oops. And I'm going to take my paper, unravel my string. Let's see if this works, guys. I'm going to put my string down like that, hold my cardboard over it, and 1, 2, 3, pull. It didn't do it. Did not work. I mean, there's a little bit of red on there, but not anything significant. Let's try again. See if we can make it work. If not, I will stop this video and start over and use real paint. It's only 6 minutes in. Alright, so what I'm going to do this time is instead of blotting it, I'm going to put it right on my paper. So I'm pulling it out of the water, I'm putting it on here, putting my cardboard over the top, holding it down, pulling it out. Oh yeah, that worked perfectly. So the key is not to blot. Look at how cool that is. Can you see that? There. Alright, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do a blue one this time. And you can use different strings. I am going to just use the same string. But you can you can do it however you want. So I'm not going to blot, I'm just going to let it kind of drip a little bit for a second. Put it on my paper. Whoops. Hold the cardboard down for a second and pull it out. Oh yeah, this looks cool, guys. It's really pretty so far. Okay, next color. I'm going to use some yellow. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like ultra pretty. Alright. Kind of let it drip off to the side a little bit. Put it down. Hold my cardboard. Pull it out. Whoa, that made quite the noise, huh? Alright, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do what's left. Oh, green. Do a green one. And then maybe I'll start over. Whoop. You can also just let it drip. Hold my cardboard down a bit and pull. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to go back to the beginning, start over with red. You don't have to do it in any particular order, you know, clearly. I don't even know if this is actually the red one. I think it is. Let it drip a little. Put it on the paper. My color, I think, is starting to get a little bit muddied because we're mixing a lot of colors together. Ooh, I'm loving this. Moving on to the blue. Lifting my string up, letting it drip for a second, putting it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I've got going on. This is, I don't know if you can tell because of the way the light's hitting it, but it's really colorful and pretty. I like it a lot. I think Mr. Burns would be disappointed in the color right now because of the lighting, but that's okay, right? You guys forgive me. You can, I don't know if you can, no, you definitely can't see from there. Well, it is colorful. And what I'm going to do is write my name on it and hang it on my wall in my office with all of my other stuff from Rattle together. and you guys will see it next time. So I hope you guys have fun with this project. I thought it was a lot of fun. I'm going to tilt this camera back up, move myself back up a little bit. That's better. And sign off. Oh, I almost forgot about our riddles, guys. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? All right, our riddle from Thursday was, when is a door not a door? That's silly, right? A door, it's always a door, right? I think someone told me maybe when it's open, it's not a door because maybe there's no door, or maybe it's just not a door when there's no door. But that person was close, because you might know this, you might not. When a door is slightly opened, it's called ajar. A-J-A-R. One word, ajar. So, like this. Ajar, written like that, A-J-A-R, means a little bit open. It's a jar. I remember this when I was a kid. There was a car, a super fancy car, you know, for like the 80s. This was way fancy. And when the door was open, the car would, instead of beeping, you know how a lot of cars beep when the door's open? It would go, the door is ajar. The door is ajar. It was our neighbor's car, and we thought it was hilarious. We were like, the door's not ajar, the door's a door. And we laughed, but the door was ajar. So the door is not a door when it is ajar. And that is that riddle. Very silly. And a little anecdote to go with it for you. All right. And our new riddle is, let me just double check. This was a kind of fun one. Oh yeah. What is something that you can keep after giving it away? What is something you can keep after giving it away? Think about that one for tomorrow, okay? Now you can send me pictures of your beautiful artwork. See if you can see it better now that I'm in a slightly different position. No, a little bit better right there. I want to see pictures, I want to see videos, I want to know you guys are all right. So you can reach me. You can email me at rburns, R-B-U-R-N-S @kusd.org, O-R-G. You can message me on Facebook at m.me/rattletogether, R-A-T-T-L-E, to get her, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, And you can also find me on Facebook, or find us on Facebook, fb.me/rattletogether, R-A-T-T-L-E-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. I hope to hear from you guys soon. I hope you're all healthy and happy and safe. I love you and I miss you. Mwah.